Tip 1. Vacuum your rugs regularly. This helps to keep dirt and dust from settling into the fibers. Tip 2. Got a spill? Act fast. The quicker you can treat a stain, the better your chances of removing it. Tip 3. Always blot stains, don't rub. Rubbing can cause the stain to spread and the rug fibers to mat. Tip 4. For stubborn stains, try a mix of detergent, vinegar, and warm water. Always test a small, hidden area first to ensure the solution doesn't discolor the rug. Tip 5. Rotate your rugs every few months. This helps to distribute wear evenly and keeps your rug looking fresh. Tip 6. For deep cleaning, consider hiring professionals. They have the tools and expertise to clean your rug without damaging it. Expert advice. Remember, every rug has its own cleaning needs. Always check the care label or consult with a professional if you're unsure. Keep your rugs clean and they'll keep your home beautiful. Happy cleaning!